Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by making sure your phone can give accurate coordinates. Turn on location and set high accuracy. This avoids vague pins. Once done, open Google Maps and sign into the Google account you'll share from so contacts see the right identity. Now tap your profile icon, select location sharing, and choose Add People. This gets you into the sharing flow immediately. You won't need third-party apps and you'll control who can view your live position. Next, pick who should get your live location and why. Tap a contact to share directly or use Create Link if the person isn't in your contacts. Links are convenient but less controlled. Then set the duration, pick a specific timer for short trips or share until you stop for ongoing tracking. Be sure to select precise location when accuracy matters, otherwise recipients may only see a rough area. This balances convenience with privacy. Finish by confirming the share and watching the blue dot on the map. This shows your live feed. Make sure recipients appear under active shares so you know who can see you. If you need to stop, tap Stop in the location sharing screen or dismiss the persistent notification. If others can't see you, check background location permission and battery optimization for maps. Disable aggressive battery limits so location updates continue. If GPS seems off, toggle location off then on to force a fresh fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.